everyone, welcome back to Rising Sun Premier online classes. It's Ritu Yadav, your computer teacher. I hope you are doing very well at your home with your family. Today we are going to discuss about computer system and learn more about special keys. For example, enter key, backspace key, alt key, control, shift, etc. So let's start our new topic. As you know that computer is an electronic man-made machine. It consists of many parts. A computer works according to the instructions given by us. The working of computer with its part together makes a computer system. A computer system is a machine that is used to generate information from the data given by us. Computer is basically a collection of electronic devices called hardware that works for you. Computers come in different shapes and sizes. There are several parts on a computer that are universal to all computers. Now children, I will tell you more about the parts of a computer system. It refers to the parts of computer system which you can see and touch. These are the mechanical and electronic parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printers, speakers and UPS, etc. Some of the hardware components are as follow. Mouse. It is the most popular pointing device. It has two buttons called left and right button and a wheel is present between the buttons. It is used to control the position of cursor on screen. Next is keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular device to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of a typewriter. The next is monitor. Monitor are commonly called visual display unit VDU. It looks like a television. It displays all the work done on a computer. The next is printer. This is a printer. It is used to print the result on a paper. Like this. You can print or drawing with the help of a printer. Next is scanner. It is used when some information is available on a paper and it is be transferred to the computer. These images can be edited before they are printed. The next is CPU. This is the central processing unit. It is the brain of computer. It controls all the function of a computer. There are some other hardware parts of a computer system which are present inside the CPU box. These are motherboard, RAM, microprocessor, SMPS, hard disk drive, etc. Children, you have seen a keyboard and you have used it. Now let's learn more about it. Keyboard is a device. It is used to feed data into the computer. It looks like a typewriter. When we press the keys, it appears on the monitor. Just this. A keyboard consists of 104 keys on it. It has 5 main types of keys. First, alphabet keys. Second, numeric keys. Third, function keys. Fourth, arrow keys. And the last, fifth, special keys. Today we are going to discuss more about special keys. These keys are used for special purpose. They can be used in combination with other keys. These keys are enter keys, space bar key, delete key, space backspace key, shift key, caps lock key, alt key, control key, home key, end key, etc. So first is enter key. This is the enter key. It is the second longest key on the keyboard. It is used to move the cursor down to enter a new line. For example, I press enter to move the cursor down to start a new line. It is also called return key. There are two enter keys on a keyboard. First is and the second is in. Next is space bar key. This is the space bar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between two words or numbers. For example, space like this. Next is delete key. This is the delete key. It is used to rub the letter one by one like this. I press delete key and the action is erase the letter one by one. It is used to erase any character or shift character to the right of the cursor. Next is backspace key. This is the backspace key. This arrow indicates the backspace key. It is used just like an eraser. It is used to erase any character to be left of the cursor. For example, I press backspace key like this, left of the cursor. Next is shift key. This is the shift key. There are two shift key. First is this and the second is this. It is used to type letters in capital. Press it, turn on when you want to type in capital. Press it again to turn off. And the next is alt key. This is the alt key. Its function is used to access menu. It is used in combination with other keys to give commands. The next is control key. First this is and the second is this. There are two control keys in the keyboard and its function is used to combination with other keys, work as shortcut for performing various functions. Next is home key. This is the home key. It is used to move the cursor to the start of a line. For example, I press the home key and the sentence is started. This is the cursor. I press home key. This starting of the line. Next is end key. It is used to move the cursor to the end of a line. The end of a line on employee. So the cursor goes to the end of the line. Next is punctuation keys. These are used when you are typing something in notepad like comma, full stop, hyphen, comma, hyphen, full stop, question mark, apostrophes, etc. Bracket. Next is insert key. Next is insert key. It is used to insert character between the words. Next, page up and page down keys. These are used to move one page up or one page down at a time. These keys are called the navigation keys. They help us move around a file. Student, that's all for today. I hope you learned more about computer and keyboards. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.